Hello. I haven't done any video in a while now about the cryptocurrency markets, Bitcoin, because there's actually really nothing new. The downward trend just continues uninterrupted. There wasn't really the target points were not really achieved yet as I had envisioned them, only partially. I know everybody wants to know when is Bitcoin going to stop falling, and of course, what levels. And it's always extremely hard to predict those two things, when and how much. You always have to kind of keep a range in mind when you're talking about prices either going up or down. And again, for how long, maybe only WD Gann knows about it. I certainly don't. So again, what we're looking at, this is a 4-hour chart, as you can see right here, for Bitcoin. Today is January the 19th. But the main things, what we're looking at, the lower highs, okay, and the lower lows. And that is just textbook definition of a lower trend, no matter how you look at it, okay. Of course, I had my ABC pattern over there as a guide to what I think is going to happen, where it's going to end. Some people are talking about the $8,000 range level being the bottom. Yes, I do see it happening, but I think that's just a stop on its way down further. Anywhere, I guess I'm just looking at the 1.161 Fibonacci here on this retracement. It might go even a little bit below, and that's due to panic mostly. Again, the markets are being driven by greed and panic. So on the way down, people panic, they capitulate, they sell at any price, and it just tends to go down a little bit more than usual, exaggerates. When it goes up, same thing, people are greedy, they're just bidding each other like crazy. They don't want to be left behind, and they just keep on buying without any kind of knowledge of what's going on. And prices can exaggerate on the upside as well, out of a, let's say, more or less normal trend. So what we're looking at, I think we're in wave C, as I had envisioned it here. Wave C will have probably 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 is usually very complex. It's just up and down a lot, just kind of crazy looking. It should not really exceed on the upside the bottom of wave 1. So sometime we'll probably see another leg down here towards wave 5, which will be my target for wave C. So this would be the correction of the crazy run we've all witnessed here with Bitcoin. Okay. So I was guessing 5,000 range. Okay. Again, I don't believe we'll see just 5,000, then we'll start going up. Again, I'm saying a range, around that range. And any trend, will have to give us a clue as to when it's done, when we see a bottom, when it turns up, and then we know there's going to be probably a retest of that bottom and then going up. So I guess anywhere here in this area range, let's say 5,000, 7,000 would probably do it. Of course, you can do another Fibonacci right here and project down what may happen, but let's see. Maybe we can do that. Fibonacci retracement. Okay, right here. Let's just say that will kind of be the top right there. So again, it may, oops, sorry. It may coincide with this level right here, previously placed on the chart. Again, I'm looking at a range here. It may go slightly below, it may stop a little bit above, but anyway, I think this is where we're heading anyway. For the other view, much cleaner view, of course, this is a daily chart, and again, we can clearly see the channel, okay, the trend going down. Okay, so now we have again lower highs and lower lows. May turn over here again and then take us another leg down around this area right here, right? Of course, everything else follows what Bitcoin does, with some exceptions, of course, but you get the idea. So we'll see again in the next, I don't know, coming weeks, I guess, days or weeks, 1, 2, 3 weeks or so. Probably the bottom here. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments, please let me know. Write them below, and I'll try to respond as best as I can. Have a nice weekend. Today's Friday.